Welcome to the video. This is my youngest son, Raiyan. We are actually gonna make 3-ingredient healthy snack that you guys can make. I'm gonna show you how quick and easy it is to do. I already have the oven preheating to 350, which is what we're gonna have. There's a couple of ingredients that we're gonna use and that's it. We have oatmeal, we have Raiyan's favorite, chocolate chips, and we have 2 ripe bananas. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put into the bowl the ripe bananas. So we're gonna peel this. Can you peel this one for me? Peel that one open for me, okay? I'm gonna peel this one.
I peeled it.
Yeah, peel it all off this. From here, so I'm actually gonna mush these up a little bit, okay? So I wanna mush these up using this fork. Show you what that consistency looks like. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our first ingredient, which is going to be the oats.
I could do.
Yeah, you're gonna pour this in. So this quick oats, I should say, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and add half of a cup of those oats into this container. All the way in here, Raiyan. Slowly. Pour it in. Beautiful. Now you're gonna do this one. So we have half a cup, and we're gonna have a whole cup of regular rolled oats. Here we go, Raiyan. This one. Into here. All of it. Nice. We're just gonna mix this up a little bit. Next, we're gonna add in the last ingredient, which is gonna be 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. Here we go. Pour them in. Yeah, all right.
Why is nothing gets in the red box?
Because we just emptied it. So here's the baking pan that we're gonna go ahead and use. We're gonna take a scoop of the mix into our hands. I'm gonna give you one in a second. We're just gonna roll it into a little bit of a ball. What you wanna realize is the way that you lay these out is gonna be the way that they're going to form and come together. So now we're gonna put them in and we're gonna let them bake for 12 minutes. This is the true test. Here we go, Raiyan. Tell me what you think.
I like it.
Yeah? Can you give me 2 thumbs up?